Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. If you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, this one, Gold USD, GBP, JPY, USD, JPY and others. So let's get started. So at first, let's talk about the chart of DXY. Yesterday, after the CPI report, there was a huge volatility, craziness in the market. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you were prepared for the craziness in the market. So as per our expectation, market moved up and failed to cross the resistance of the 200 period moving average. There was a huge sharp up move on DXY after the news, and there was a sharp drop on the price again. So I will not be talking in detail about the news and its impact in this video because I'll be coming tomorrow again where I discuss on detail about the chart of DXY, Euro USD and others. So you'll get the detailed analysis tomorrow. Okay. So as of now, just keep in mind that for Friday, 96.20 is the most important level here for the day. 96.20. Right now you can see DXY is going up. So if the up move continues, there is a possibility DXY will be facing some kind of resistance, selling pressure around 96.20 level. So if DXY reverses, there will be some sort of recovery on Euro USD. But as of now, DXY is still very bullish. So 96.20 will be very important. And on the other hand, if 96.20, okay, if market breaks the level of 96.20, then obviously there will be new buying on DXY. Okay. And if you have been watching my videos, then we were ready for this up move for the last 2 weeks. Okay, because when dollar was falling, okay, when market tried to take temporary support here, okay, I showed you the setup on the higher time frame where the DXY was getting ready for the next swing. Okay, anyways, we will be talking in detail tomorrow. Okay, right now 96.20 will be the most important level for DXY. Okay, for Friday. And if we talk about Euro USD here, then yesterday I clearly mentioned that if market slips below 1.1400 level, we can take a sell position. And if you are on a sell position right now, okay, then you are doing great. I also mentioned one thing very clearly, that there is a huge possibility of market reversing from 1.1500 level, and as you can see that market sharply came down after hitting this level. So again, if you have to if you took a sell position in this level, then hopefully you made huge profit. Okay. Anyways, right now there is no position for buying here. Okay, because taking a buy position in this selling pressure is extremely risky. What is the present trend of the market? The present trend of the market is towards the downside. And considering the present trend of the market for Friday, you should be looking for selling opportunities only. Okay. So as of now, I do not see any fresh entry into the market here. But yes, if market tries to recover, then there is a possibility that the previous support of 1.1400 will now be acting as the new resistance. So if market goes up, there is a possibility that market will be coming down. Okay, so if market reverses or if market faces selling pressure here, then you can definitely take a sell position because the support will be the new resistance for the market. Okay, so this is it. Not much to do here because already our trade was good enough here and here also. This was the best trade. Okay. Anyways, bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow with the proper detailed analysis and trading opportunities for the coming week. Bye bye.